from the Faculty of Business and Law, the thesis is titled, How Pride Can Help Save the Environment. Can Pride Make Us Better People? Would you please welcome Christina Gregersen.
We know how to take care of the environment, right? Conserve water, renewable energies, recycling, and so forth. In my discipline of marketing and psychology, these are called environmental behaviors. I grew up believing that pride was a bad emotion, and perhaps even a sin. This is apparently not the case. Pride can actually promote positive behaviors. And pride derived from environmental behaviors can actually increase consumer engagement. Pride is a positive emotion that consumers feel about themselves. It's generally a response or an attitude to something with an intimate connection to oneself. There are two types of pride, authentic and hubristic. Authentic pride is the good pride. It's an emotion tied to adaptive achievement and goal engagement that occurs in response to a specific event. Whereas hubristic pride, being the bad pride, is tied to extrinsic values of public recognition. But how can a bad emotion like pride create more positive behaviors, such as environmental behaviors? I will show you how. My research has shown that consumers who engage in environmental behaviors can be primed into performing more environmental behaviors in the future. This means governments and companies just need to prime one environmental behavior, which will then lead the consumer to perform more environmental behaviors all by themselves. Pretty good return on investment, right? But marketing practices to date deploys the strategy of inducing consumers with the feeling of guilt to make them engage in positive behaviors that promise to alleviate that uncomfortable feeling of guilt. But what if I told you pride could actually achieve the same results? My research shows that we can prime consumers with feeling proud about their initial environmental behaviors, such as taking shorter showers or composting. This then leads to them performing more environmental behaviors and feeling great about it. Would you prefer to be primed with the uncomfortable feeling of guilt by companies and governments? Or would you rather feel great about making consumer choices based on promotions that evoke satisfaction that you're doing your bit for the environment? Another awesome thing about pride is that it may even turn out to promote more environmental behaviors, as the positive feeling of pride can be somewhat addictive. My research promotes empirical evidence which aims to impact marketing practices, regulations, and consumer culture. So next time you have to make an environmental behavior choice, you can feel great about it.